Hey there, young artist. Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, get ready to hit the road as we draw a super sleek sports car. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start our engines. Begin by drawing a big circle for the first wheel of our sports car. Then, draw another smaller circle inside the first one to complete the wheel. Repeat this process for the second wheel. Can you feel the speed already? Next, let's draw the top part of our car, giving it that sleek and aerodynamic look. Add some curves and lines to define its shape. Don't forget to draw a helmet for our driver, because safety always comes first.
Wow!
Let's make our sports car stand out on the track. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. This will give our car a polished and professional look, ready to race to victory. And now, it's time to add some color to our turbocharged creation. Grab your color pens, and let's give our sports car some personality. Gray color. Gray for a sleek body. Red color. Red for a fiery spirit. Yellow color. Yellow for a burst of energy. Orange color. Orange for a vibrant touch. Blue color. Blue for a cool vibe. Red color. Red for a fiery spirit. Sky blue color. Sky blue for a touch of the sky. Yellow color. And yellow for a dash of sunshine. There you have it, a turbocharged sports car ready to hit the road. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddler's Art Hub for more creative adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.